Hi everyone, Neama Rahmani here, real lawyer, and I'm here to talk about the latest Vanderpump Rules lawsuit. Rachel, aka Raquel Leviss, sued Tom Sandoval and Ariana for revenge porn. Disclaimer, I represented Sheena Shea against Rachel in her restraining order case. But Sheena isn't a party to the lawsuit, although she's mentioned. So I want to talk about Rachel's allegations against Tom, Ariana, and whether she has a chance of winning or not. Now, Rachel is represented by two attorneys, Garagos and Friedman, who've sued Bravo a lot recently and have represented other individuals' talent in the Real Housewives franchise. But this is their first foray into Vanderpump Rules. But even though Tom and Ariana are sued, Bravo, NBC Universal, and the production companies are not. But they're mentioned throughout. And I think one of the biggest takeaways from the lawsuit is this allegation that the show was staged and Scandoval was essentially fake. It was a setup for ratings. So I thought that was particularly interesting. Obviously, I'm a lawyer. I don't know what goes on behind the scenes, but I think that's something that a lot of people will latch on to. So was it really staged? Was it prompted? Who knows? But turning to the legal allegations, revenge porn is a new statute. So in California, when you're involved in an intimate relationship, let's say you're sending nudes or other sexually explicit materials, once that relationship ends, or even if it doesn't, you can't send those to third parties. There's a presumption that those images, those videos are to remain confidential. And of course, in this case, we're talking about a FaceTime video where Rachel was allegedly masturbating. And of course, it's this video that Ariana found and discovered the relationship between Tom and Rachel. So the allegations are as follows: that Ariana got the video, sent it to herself, and sent it to Rachel and confronted her. So as far as the case being defensed, I think Tom is going to have an argument that he never distributed the video, and therefore there's no revenge porn. So let's not forget, revenge porn is unlawfully having the video and sending it to someone that really doesn't have a right to see it. So, of course, Rachel will argue that Ariana never had the right to see it and that she did distribute it. I think Ariana will defend the case by arguing that, if Rachel suffered damages, it appears that she did. She suffered distress. She had to check into a rehab facility. That those weren't caused by the revenge porn video, but by Rachel's own doing, by having an affair with someone that was in a committed relationship. And of course, the ensuing fallout that happened. So that's my long way of saying that the damages were caused by Rachel, not caused by Ariana. That's going to be one argument. And the other might be that, Scandoval actually helped Rachel because it raised her profile and now, she made money from it, or she's going to go on to bigger and better things. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens with this case. Very few cases actually go to trial, so I wouldn't be surprised if this case settles. But there's a lot of interesting legal issues that are coming up because, again, revenge porn hasn't really been litigated, and certainly not in the reality TV context. Thanks everyone for watching. Make sure, as always, to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications.